My name is John, and I had my surgery in January of 2009. I had a lap band and I've lost about 80 pounds. I did it for health reasons. I was type 2 diabetic, I had high blood pressure, high cholesterol, sleep apnea, and 6 months afterwards I didn't have to take any kind of medication and my sleep apnea was no longer an issue. What I can do now that I couldn't do before surgery was I walk more. I started going to the gym. 3 weeks after I got done with my surgery, I was up to walking 10 miles. My job, I have a physical job. I have to be physical with people sometimes, and it makes my job a whole lot easier, being able to secure them quicker. I have to do a lot of walking at work, and I can walk around. I walk over 2 miles a day. I'm not out of breath anymore, and it just makes my life a whole lot easier. Dr. Monash's staff is very professional. You feel like family when you go to his office. So Dr. Monash is amazing. He's caring. He listens to your concerns. You talk about what your procedure is going to be like, what your health issues are going to be like after you get done with surgery. I have a man crush on Dr. Monash. It changed my life significantly. I would do anything I could for the man. He's brilliant, and I appreciate everything he's done for me in the last couple of years. I was actually very depressed about being a diabetic, and like I said, I'm no longer a diabetic anymore. People around you take you a little bit more seriously than what they used to when you were heavy. It was a life-changing experience. Just the total transformation was very, very easy.